Hey guys, this video is about 10 drawing tips that you should know as a beginner. Watch it till the end and leave a like if you want free art supplies. Let's go! Always draw a rough sketch before you get into the final attempt. Here I'm drawing a rare dragon with his mouth wide open, so I'm making the rough sketch of the mouth a bit big. Tip number 2. Always plan before you draw. I also did plan before the drawing of this dragon, but I came up with this idea and nothing else. But you guys should obviously plan before you draw. In this drawing, I thought to make the tongue of the dragon a bit more like a lizard and a snake because I was not getting any idea. Always keep a paper below your palm so that you don't smudge the pencil line. Tip 4. In order to get accurate results, you should go slow with your drawing and give it a bit time. That's it. After you're done with the rough sketch, take a B grade pencil and start going over it and making the lines a bit darker.
Looked into the flames, called out your name, but there was no answer. And now I know my heart even goes down. I know my heart even goes down. And now I know my heart is a ghost town.
Tip 5. Try to grow your imagination by watching cartoons and anime. I watch Dragon Ball Z as it's my personal favorite anime. I even watch SpongeBob. I like it.
All my friends have been disaffected, and now I'm searching for trust in a city of rust, a city of vampires.
Tip 6. Always keep two-phase in inking. At first, you gotta ink with a really thin fine liner, and then as phase 2, you gotta ink over the lines again and make some more detailed lines. It's paint water time. Tip 7. At first color with a light shade and then color with the dark one and then blend them together. Try mixing different colors and create awesome shade. Here I mixed gray with yellow and I get a nice green shade. Use the method of cross-hatching so that you can get really nice shades. Always blend the colors to get fine results. Here I blend red with some darker tones of it and the color was so good. This is a bonus tip. Always use pencil colors and white pens to get some details. If you followed all the steps correctly, this is how the result should be. Please leave a like and consider subscribing to my channel to get more videos like this.